the Vice Chancellor of the University of Vocational Technology, Sri Lanka, I would like to thank International Youth Federation for conducting a very successful mine education and cultural program for our university students as well as staff. It was very interesting program. In particular, cultural program was well acknowledged by our staff and students. So I would like to thank Rio Montana for coming over here and performing excellent music performance. Also, I'd like to thank Dr. Kim for giving excellent mine education lecture. It's very interesting, as well as our students were well acknowledged. So I would like to thank Mr. Choi for coordinating this program. He was very enthusiastic and always were cooperative with us, and it was a great success for this program. So I'd like to welcome IFI for Sri Lanka, and also we would like to continue this partnership for the future. As the University of Vocational Technology, we are willing to go ahead with this partnership and also sign MOU with IFI to continue this kind of programs in our university. So I'd like to thank again for Mr. Choi and the team for giving excellent presentation, excellent program for our students and staff. Thank you.
This time is the performance time. The first stage is the dance performance, with the IYF volunteers prepared 2 songs. Today is a great day because you can meet the Rio Montana and listen to their songs.
Top of the world of the king, down on creation, and the only explanation I can find. Almost paradise. 아침보다 더 눈부신 날 향한 너의 사랑이 엘러자티코 아비마음에 오라도 구엔세 부르네.
No, this time is for the mind lecture time. Today, the General Director of the IYF Asia and the President of the IYF Thailand, Dr. Choi Kim, give you a lecture.
잘 보셨습니까? Did you enjoy this? 네. 여러분은 이 비디오를 보면서 어떤 생각을 하셨습니까?
What did you think about as you watched this video a while ago? I cannot work anymore.
그냥 포기할 텐데.
Yeah, we will give up, right? We will just give up.
펭귄은요?
But what about the penguin?
걸어갑니다.
It continued to work.
근데 또 여기 비디오 장면에는 잘 안 나왔는데.
So we couldn't find out on the video.
한 모르겠어요. 한 60kg 될까요?
Maybe about 60 kilogram, right?
80kg 나는
80 kilogram.
바람이 얼마 정도 불으면 날아가 버릴까요?
When I can be swept away by the which kind of speed of the wind?
Taught us a lesson. That lesson was, if you are smiling, you are prettier, you are more beautiful. So let's start smiling all the time. Then the place will be a different place. That was the first message. Then the second, a wonderful song, not just one, ended with the song which we loved most, and everyone knew words, and now we were in a wonderful situation to take something very good in. And third was the most important. Our minds were ready to take it in. The lesson in short was, Penguin na vealla.